Hello everyone, back with an IRS tax refund update. We are monitoring the latest developments this tax season as the latest batch of tax refunds have now been issued, with reports coming in from taxpayers that those direct deposits are reaching their bank accounts, so we're going to take a look at that. Meanwhile, many more taxpayers report continued delays when it comes to the processing of their tax returns and tax refunds, and why some of those who filed those paper tax returns may face extended delays this tax season. The latest developing news this tax season is that the April 6th batch of tax refunds have now been issued and transmitted to banks nationwide. Taxpayers who have accounts with Bank of America, Chime, Citizens Bank, and Wells Fargo were among the first to confirm that those direct deposits have in fact reached their accounts. While the majority that were part of this batch will receive those deposits the day of, some taxpayers can expect to wait an additional 1 to 2 days to post to their accounts. If you're part of this latest batch and do not receive your refund by April 11th, you may need to initiate a payment trace with the IRS to locate that refund. If the IRS has the wrong banking information listed on file, once they receive that direct deposit back as rejected, they will release a paper check to be mailed to the address on file, with the turnaround time averaging around 4 weeks. Meanwhile, taxpayers continue to report delays in the processing of their tax returns and issuing of refunds like seen here. Now, this is happening despite 96% of all submitted tax returns so far being processed this tax season, with some taxpayers indicating this is the longest they've ever waited for a tax refund to be processed. This number includes a number of taxpayers who are reporting their returns are still not showing up in the IRS system. Now, while the IRS has received your tax return electronically, what appears to be the problem is a delay between the two IRS systems, the e-filing system, also known as the MEF, the modernized e-file, and the IRS master file, which is the system the IRS uses to store and process tax records. There appears to be an apparent lag, which we also saw last year, which results in taxpayers not seeing an update on their tax transcripts or refund status results like many of you are reporting. A number of you have reached out indicating you have filed paper tax returns, and in some cases as far back as January, and still do not have any updates. Unfortunately, you're not alone because as of last month, the IRS has a paper return backlog of nearly 15 million tax returns that have been received at the 3 remaining tax processing centers in the country located in Utah, Missouri, and Texas. Now, if you're among this group, you're directly impacted by the current IRS staffing issues, as the IRS does not use scanning technology for tax returns, so that means IRS employees have to manually enter each digit and letter on your tax return, and in some cases, for longer returns, those can be over 1,000 digits that need to be entered. Also, do note that last year, IRS employees made data entry errors on about 22% of paper returns, which can delay the refund process even further. So again, anticipate possible delays for these reasons. A number of taxpayers who are experiencing extended delays have informed us they have reached out to their local congressional representative's office for assistance with their tax issues and are currently receiving help. So for those of you who are experiencing delays and cannot reach the IRS, please consider looking at this option for help. You can find your representative by going to the house.gov website and entering your zip code on the top right-hand side of the screen as seen here. In the meantime, let us know in the comments section below what problem you're currently experiencing and if you received your refund as of yet. In the meantime, we'll keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.